Hey guys, we're gonna see if we can fix this bumper for less than $10. It's got a broken tab here, and if we try and push it flush, it stays, but it's gonna flap around in the wind and pop right out. So we're gonna try and fix it with a tin container lid and some magnets off of Amazon. I'm gonna make a bracket here. It's going to be basically an L shape, and we're gonna kind of glue one magnet over here and another magnet up here behind the bumper, so we can help keep it flat up here and over here. Alright, so this is how our tin can brackets look like. Our bolt is gonna go through this hole here and secure onto here. Our magnet is going to get glued to the inside of the bumper here, and on this lower one our hole is here. Our bolt is going to go through there, and again, same thing, we're going to just glue a magnet onto the back side of here, and then it will hopefully magnetically hold it in place like that. Okay, so we have our neodymium rare earth magnets glued into the inside of our bumper. We have our tin can lid brackets all set up and dialed down. We're gonna wait for the glue to dry and put this together and see how we did. And there we go. Fixed the bumper for less than $10, about half an hour's worth of time.